Welcome to Coupon God. Today, I'm thrilled to share the Spring and Easter Extravaganza sale by Rexing Dashcam, valid from March 26th to April 7th, 2024. Don't miss out on these fantastic deals. To take advantage of this sale, simply use our affiliate link in the description below. When you purchase any dashcam, you'll receive a variety of free products. Let's dive into the exciting offers available during this sale. First up is the Rexing R4 4-channel dashcam, featuring 1080p resolution, Wi-Fi, and GPS. Enjoy a $50 discount during the sale, along with a free 128GB memory card and GPS smart hardwire kit. Next, we have the Rexing wireless multimedia receiver Roadmate CP Duo, offering CarPlay, Android Auto, and dashcam features. Priced at $199.99, you'll also receive a free 78W car charger and 32GB memory card. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Rexing Woodlands H2 4K Wi-Fi trail camera is available with a buy one, get one free offer. Scrolling to the bottom of the page, you'll find up to a 55% site-wide discount on categories including car accessories, dash cams, EV, outdoor, and smart home products. As an added bonus, subscribers to the Rexing newsletter will receive an extra 15% discount coupon. For more upcoming deals, offers, and coupons, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Coupon God. You can also stay updated with the latest daily deals by joining our Telegram channel. Don't miss out on these amazing savings. Happy shopping!